Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw numbers 1 to 15 and now we use the color of red. First we draw the number of 1, O-N-E, 1. Kids, the next one is 2, T-W-O, 2. And now we draw the number of 3. And the next one is 4, F-O-U-R, 4. Now we draw the number of 5. Kids, now we use black color. The color of black. Kids, the next one is 6. Now we draw the number of 6. S-I-X, 6. The next one is 7. Now we draw 7 and the next one is 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. We again use black color and now we draw the number of 9. Black color. N-I-N-E, 9. And the next one is 10. T-E-N, 10. Now we draw the number of 11. Kids, now we use blue color and draw 12. The color of blue. Now we draw the number of 12. And the next one is 13. Now we draw 14. Kids, we again use blue color. Now we draw the number of 15. Kids, today we draw numbers 1 to 15. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.